Okay, just a quick shout out to Johnny for his comment and question. Thank you very much, sir. Yes, watch this video for free AI Keno numbers and subscribe for upcoming AI Keno strategies. Let's take a look at our first set of AI Keno numbers already in progress. Okay, it was card C that got us the 4 out of 4 for 425 credits. The others did well as well. Not bad. Okay, y'all be a winner and write these Keno numbers down. Okay, let's take a look at another set of AI created Keno numbers. Yes, pause now and copy these free AI Keno numbers. And notice the AI Keno strategy placement of the numbers on the Keno card, as well as note the Keno numbers are almost all the same, but yet they are different. Subscribe for more AI Keno numbers and AI Keno strategies. Let's take a look at this video. Okay. I'll change that screen here in just a few minutes, or a few seconds. The bet is a quarter for each card. If you didn't get a chance to write those Keno numbers down, you can always come back later, or I'll change the screen like I said here in a few seconds. Come on, we need a 4 out of 4 to get started here. Let's get going. Just like that. This Keno card A has got some pretty hot AI Keno numbers. Cool. Speaking of more Keno numbers, listen up. I get asked a lot about your 4-card Keno with a 4-spot. Check out the video above for more free AI Keno numbers and change your luck. Okay, let's see if we can get a couple of more 4 out of 4s. Slow it down a little bit. Could sure do with another 4 out of 4. That's not bad. Alright, I think it's time. Let's go. Another 4 out of 4. Just like that. Awesome. Another 85 credits on another 4 out of 4. That one was on the C card, so you might make note of those numbers. Okay. There's your C card. So make note of those numbers when you get a chance. In the meantime, let's go back and get ourselves a couple more 4 out of 4s, and then we'll go on to our next video. No way, dude. Card A did it again. Awesome. Another 85 credits. How about a couple more before we wrap this up and move on to the next video? Remember, we started off with $17. Okay, let's go ahead and wrap this up. Yeah, so we'll finish with 78.55. Did you notice we got 3 4 out of 4 wins with these AI Keno numbers? All in just a matter of a few minutes. Okay, like many of us Keno players, when winning we continue with the same Keno numbers. Let's see what happened a few minutes later with the same AI Keno numbers on a different video. Let's check out this next video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe for more free AI Keno numbers and exclusive strategies. For example, Google Bard AI says the top 3 AI Keno numbers that come up the most at the casino are 1, 4, and 23. Add these to your lucky Keno numbers and see how you do. Okay, let's take a look at our next video. Okay, we started with 20 bucks there and down to 5.55. Let's see how we do. Don't forget to come back and write these Keno numbers down when you get a chance. Alright, card A doing a nice job. That's 3 out of 4. I'd like to see 4 out of 4. Card A and card C seem to do well. Well, speak of the devil, then there's card D. So the numbers in general are doing pretty good. Let's see what else we can get out of that. Could use a 4 out of 4. Maybe this wasn't the machine we should have showed last. Because we're down to 2 bucks now. Oh boy. Yes. Let the music play. Music to my ears. Let it play on. Yeah, that's not too bad. And of course, the 4 out of 4 at the end of the day is a nice job to get those total of 500 credits. Okay, there you have it. Yet another 4 out of 4. This time, 425 credits with your lucky Keno card A. What are you waiting for? Copy these AI Keno numbers for your next Keno game. Beginners. AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. You need to watch another video. And thanks for watching this video. And we'll see you next week.